a very different kind of treatment, that is the water treatment, which is called the Vichy treatment. That is the speciality of this place. This treatment started with scrubbing with different kinds of minerals, and then it followed into the oiling with different kinds of herbal oils. Then came the most important part, the shower, which consisted of both cold and hot water jets. The shower was kept on me for quite some time, till the client completely relaxes. My Vichy water therapy is over, and now that I feel blissful and spiritual both at the same time, and I've pampered myself a hell lot, I need to go and get dressed. I had a wonderful experience in IKEA, and here I have with me Neha. Hi Neha.
Hi.
So how are you associated with this place?
I am basically the marketing manager of this place, and along with that I take care of business development as well.
Okay. And who is the founder, or whose brainchild is this place?
We basically have two directors who are essentially involved in the foundation of this spa. One is Mr. Neil Dodhia. He's currently actually on a vacation to Kenya.
Okay.
And we have Mr. Rishi Anand. They both are actually good friends and they both decided to open a spa in Calcutta.
Okay. So, what is the USP of AKEA?
I think I would say we call ourselves to be the first ever holistic spa where
Okay.
we actually look into, apart from just giving the services, we also talk about the fact that it's important to relax. So once a person gets a therapy done, we actually encourage people to sit in the relaxation room, sip a cup of tea. Then we've got something called chakra balancing as well, where before the treatment starts, we actually there is something called sound therapy, which has been specially introduced by Neil Dodhia, who's again a spiritual healer and therapist here.
Okay.
And then the treatment starts with that. I would say services and again being very holistic and being very passionate about giving the perfect service to everyone.
That means partial concentration is also on the mental health of your client.
Yeah, I would say it's a total relaxation of mind, body and soul.
Right. And what are the treatments that you provide?
I think we start with express healing, which is foot reflexology. Again, we work on the pressure points which are under the feet. Then we have a simple head massage, and someone wants to just get a quick head massage. This is called express healing. We have body treatments ranging from aromatherapy, Vishisha treatment, Thai massage, then Swedish, and we've got a signature treatment as well.
Okay.
Then we've got Iraya body packs and scrubs, which is again the Vishisha treatment. These body packs and scrubs range from things like Rainforest Indulgence, Pure Body Retreat, Jasmine Body Polish. And the last, we've got Dermalogica facials. Basically, we've got a brand from US. We associated with that brand. It's a very high-end salon product.
Okay.
And we
So
do
the
facials.
names are actually pretty heavy.
Yes.
Is it heavy to the pocket also?
Well, a little bit. You have to pay for something which is extremely valuable and you're getting the service for it.
That is for true, because I have actually had a very good experience, and I would really be very honest that I can pay any sum of money to get what I have got today. What is the charges like?
Well, a simple head massage starts from rupees 400 and a foot reflexology 25 minutes is 375.
That's not
plus
expensive at
taxes.
all.
Yes,
That's
it is quite affordable.
Yes, it is.
Dermalogica facials are slightly more expensive because it really works on your skin, and we look into the problem and then come up with a solution. So it's a fairly controlled process. And body therapy is anything starts from 3,000 to 4,000. So that's the maximum range is 4,000 rupees.
So what is the benefit? Say I have gone through Thai yoga, right? So what are the benefits of these kinds of holistic treatments?
Well, Thai yoga, as you know, it was primarily a dry massage, so it involved a lot of stretching. So it basically involves rhythmatic pressing of your muscles and your body parts.
Right.
So it actually helps in total relaxation of your mind, body, as well as it kind of releases all your energies in your body. Because if you see if you have any block in any part of your body, if there's a particular strain you have, if you want complete relaxation, then that stretching actually helps to release that energy, which basically promotes blood circulation, relaxes you. It kind of helps you in your day-to-day work. It helps you kind of ease out.
It actually de-stresses your body a lot. That's what I have gone through today, because my body was really stressed out and I really needed it very badly.
Yes.
And I've got it and I really feel, very fresh.
And it's actually recommended for someone who's probably regular gymming, and then your body becomes really tight and you
Yes.
want to open up. So
Right.
Thai yoga is actually the best way to open up, and then you would see the energy flowing in your body.
Yeah, you
So-
actually feel pretty light.
Light,
After
exactly.
my massage, after I
Yeah.
got my yoga done, I'm really finding that, my weight, I can say that it has decreased a lot,
Yeah,
a hell lot.
exactly. Yeah, it helps in
Yes.
this stretching.
And
yeah.
can people, say pregnant ladies or anybody, can get these massage done, or?
No, I think for pregnant ladies, we actually undergo proper consultation. They're only allowed to take foot reflexology, and that also only early stages of pregnancy. Otherwise, we would not recommend any therapy done unless it's been consulted by a doctor. So we would not ask anyone to get a therapy done.
What I have found in this place, especially the interior, the decor is such that for the very first time when you're actually stepping inside this place, you get too attached with the decor. It's more earthy, and I've seen lots of natural substance and things used. So whose brain was it decoring this place so nicely?
It is again Mr. Neil Dodia, who has been associated with spas for a very long period of time, and he personally wanted to kind of do every single bit of the decor in terms of the interior. And if you see, there are a lot of elements in the spa, and he's very much associated with things which are a little more earthy. He likes colors which are yellow, orange, and he's extremely allergic to colors like black and red, which are very loud. Which are again all the colors orange, yellow, as you see, they all promote healing. They're very spiritual. They promote a sense of happiness and a sense of kind of bliss, which is very important when you talk about spas. And he's actually picked up all these kind of elements and ideas from his travel and from his work experience in different parts of the country. So I would say it's a complete brainchild of Neil.
Thanks a ton, Neha, that you shared your valuable knowledge with me. This place and today's experience has got me one step closer to my soul and realizing how important it is to stay fit and healthy. With this note, Ruhi says bye for today.